In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your website using Godaddy, a quick and efficient process that will take just 5 minutes. Whether you're freshening up an existing site or making a few tweaks, this guide will help you navigate the Godaddy interface with ease. Let's get started on making those updates to your website. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to log into your Godaddy account. This is your main hub for all domain related activities. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. You'll want to head to the section labeled Domain Names, Websites, Hosting and Online Marketing Tools. This is the central location where all your Godaddy products reside, and it's designed to help you find what you need quickly and efficiently. Now that we're in the right spot, let's move on to exploring your product options. You'll find a tab that's marked Products, and it's usually positioned in the upper portion of your screen. Click on this tab, which will then display a list of all the services and products you currently have with Godaddy. Depending on what you've purchased, this could be a variety of tools, but for our purposes today, we are focusing on your website. After opening up your product list, locate the section labeled Websites plus Marketing. This is Godaddy's suite of tools designed specifically to help you build, manage, and market your website. Clicking on this will take you to a new page, showcasing the websites you can manage. Don't worry if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the options. Godaddy has laid everything out in a straightforward manner to make navigation a breeze. Next, you'll find a button that's marked Manage, which will be listed next to the site you want to work on. Clicking this button will open the management page for that specific site. This is where the actual editing can begin. You're almost there, so feel free to take a moment to explore and familiarize yourself with the different features available to you here. Now you're ready for the final step. Within your site management page, you'll see an option to edit website. Click on this link and you'll be taken directly to your website's editor. From here, you have the freedom to edit, modify, or completely transform your website to suit your needs. Whether you want to change text, update images, or rearrange your layout, this is the space where your creative vision comes to life. There you have it. Within just a few clicks, you've accessed the tools you need to make changes to your website, ensuring it's always up to date and reflective of your goals and brand. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.